Suppose we heat up a metal bar, and therefore it has a higher temperature than the colder bar on the right. And in a metal, the electrons are mobile and gain a higher kinetic energy when we heat up the bar, whereas the electrons in the colder bar are travelling at lower velocities. And note that the temperature of the bar is proportional to the average kinetic energy of the particles. Now once we bring these bars into contact, heat flows from the hotter to the colder bar, which is a process called heat transfer, or the transfer of energy via heat. And that causes the electrons in this bar to gain a higher kinetic energy, because the particles in both bars are going to be in contact with each other. And as all these particles continue to collide, thermal equilibrium will eventually be reached, where the final temperature of both bars is going to be the same. And no heat flow occurs between them. And the same concept applies to gases, where you have the gas particles travelling around at different velocities. And the particles in the hotter container have higher velocities than the particles in the cooler container.